Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shraddha Kini, currently pursuing MPS SAS Institute of Management Study located in Boisar, Sarauli district, Palkar. Today I will be presenting on understanding the different types of demand. Let's begin by looking at what we will cover in this presentation. Here is an overview of what we will cover discussing today. Introduction to demand. Second is different type of demand. Third is future training demand. Fourth is conclusion. This will help us understand how demand influence business decision and the economy. Let's start with the first topic, introduction to demand. Before we discuss the different type of demand, let's first understand what demand is and why it is important. Demand refers to how much of product people are willing to buy at different prices. Demand help businesses decide how much to produce and what price to sell. Factors affecting demand include price, income, preference, expectation, and the price of related goods. Now that we understand demand, let's look at these different types. There are different types of demand and each play a role in the market. The main types are: first is individual versus market demand, second joint demand, third is composite demand, fourth is price elastic versus inelastic demand, fifth is derived demand. Let's go through each type one by one. Let's begin with individual versus market demand. First, let's understand the difference between individual demand and market demand. Individual demand refers to how much of product one person want to buy, and market demand is a total demand from all consumers for the same product. For example, if person buy two pizza per week, that is individual demand. If 1000 people buy pizza, total demand is 2000 pizzas per week is a market demand. Now let's look at the next type of demand, joint demand. Joint demand happen when two products are used together. If demand for one product increases, demand for other product also increases. For example, car and petrol. If more people buy car, demand for petrol also increases. And printer and ink. If more people buy printer, they will need more inker cartridges. If the price of one product fall, demand for both product can rise. Next, let's discuss about composite demand. Composite demand happen when one product is used for multiple purpose. If demand for one use increases, it reduces availability for other uses. For example, milk is used for drinking, making cheese and making butter. If more milk is used for cheese, less is available for drinking. And steel is used in car, building and machines. If more steel is needed for construction, there will be less available for making car. This means that one product's demand can affect multiple industries. Now let's look at the price elastic versus inelastic demand. Not all products respond the same way to price changes. Some products are more changes in demand when price changes, while others see little to no changes. Price elastic demand changes a lot when price changes. For example, designer handbag, luxury car, and high-end electronic. Price inelastic demand stay almost the same even a price changes. For example, salt, water, and medicine. This is important for businesses because it helps them decide in pricing strategy. Now let's to move to the derived demand. Derived demand happen when demand of one product create demand for another product. For example, if demand for houses increases, then the demand for bricks, cement and construction worker also increases. If more people buy car, demand for car tires and battery also increases. This means that industries are interconnected. Now let's talk about future trend in demand. Demand patterns are always changing. Here are some future trends. First is digital growth. More people shopping online. Second, sustainability. Consumers prefer eco-friendly products. Third is personalization. People want customized product. Fourth is health focus. Demand for health and wellness product is rising. Fifth is experience over a product. More people spend money on travel even instead of buying things. Sixth, circular economy. There is a shift towards the reusable and repairable products. These trends show how demand is evolving with time. Now let's summarize everything in the conclusion. To summarize, demand is essential for the economy as it affects how products are made, priced, and sold. Different types of demand like a joint, composite, elastic, and derived demand show how people need influence to the market. Understanding demand help businesses make better decisions and government plan effective policies. That's all about my topic. Thank you all for listening to my presentation. I hope you found it informative. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.